Incremental greetings, this is William Palace, also known as William Palace. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make duplicates without adding them as a child of one another. Let's take this example. That's for autodidacticism article from Wikipedia. My default will be this expression, but it has more names. So what I want to do, since it's very high priority for me, is memorizing what other names it has. So I create the extract, and within this I made another extract, and this is where the high priority is. So this will be an example for creating duplicates. Instead of creating a new topic or a new item and copy paste, you can do two duplicates. But what happens is that each duplicate, it's creating a child. So you can still use drag and drop to amend this. Now it's only 3, you can still do it, but there's a quicker way to do it. So what I need to do is as easy as create a duplicate, which is Alt-D. Now go to the parent, into knowledge tree, which is Control-Up, Alt-D again, Control-Up, Alt-D again, and that it's. Now I will only need, in this case, to get rid of this. Now I have this. Now self-education. That's just one simple example of when this functionality can be useful.